Okay, what's up, guys? This is Anomaly 417 here, and we're doing a quick video on the CSGO market and why I believe it should be going up, and which cases I think you should be getting yourself. Um, Once again, this isn't investment advice, or I'm not a financial advisor, but I know quite a bit about this stuff, and I'm gonna show you how much my inventory is worth. And I haven't even put in more than $200 into this inventory, maybe 250, okay, at max. And this was recently the money I've put in. All the value in here has been for free almost. Like I'm gonna say mostly 80% of this is free. So from me playing since 2012, that's why. And I haven't um, sold any of the cases that are never really unboxed back in the day. So here we are. Right here is what my Steam inventory CSGO. This is right here was 400 back in 2022. Um, the third month of 2023 reached 560, went all the way to 926, and now we're all the way up to 1174. And like I said, I've only put in like 200, and it was around here, or even I believe here. I can't remember if it was here or here. One of these jump points is because I invested, and then it went up hella. And which one did I invest in? It was this danger zone. Let me tell you where I bought in from and where I'm still gonna hold, because this isn't what I'm telling to invest on, because it's now I bought in at 14 cents, so you guys have missed the train by like a long shot. But I do not think it's a bad investment. I think this is currently still a great investment. That's why I'm still holding quite a bit of them, $150 worth. Um, so let's go to Steam. Well, one of the reasons why I believe this is a crazy investment is because of the population in this game. The amount of people are playing this game is just enormous. I mean, look at this. And on the low peaks, it's about the same as this, and this is half of that, like on the low, like down here. So this is amazing. It's yes, there's some low ratings on this CS:GO, but there's a lot of work to be done, and in my opinion, it's pretty good. I don't really have too many issues with it other than a couple of things, and I honestly think this game will go on for another 10 years probably, because look at this. I reviewed this game on 2015 thinking it was great, and I had this game since 2012, and the proof I could show you. Let's go. Let's show you guys just real quick, because I'm not dealing with. Look at this. So, 2012, and now I'm gonna go to my inventory and tell you what I think you guys should invest in. I think you guys should invest in these Paris 23 contender stickers, and only the contenders. And let me show you why. So for these, they just stopped dropping, right? Back when I purchased them at 14 cents, when they case 259 just stopped dropping, I was asking my cousin, like, yo, you know which cases have just recently stopped dropping? I think I'm gonna invest in these. CS:GO 2's coming out and everything down the line. So I'm like, okay. He tells me it's Danger Zone. I'm like, oh, that sounds like a cool name too. It sounds like I might get into this. So I go in. The time was right around here. Right here. Let's zoom in a little bit. So it was trading around right here, and I believe it was like over here when I was like, you know what, this looks like a nice pattern, because I actually trade the stock market, boys. I do a lot of trading, so this is the reason why I'm making this video. Um, this is a pattern right here almost. See, you break the two highs, and it goes crazy, which it did. If we just keep zooming in, oh, for God's sake. This CS:GO or Steam needs to fix its freaking. Is that all we could do? Okay, whatever. So we're over here. We purchase. CS:GO gets announced. This thing stops dropping. What happens when these cases stop dropping is the quantity of them keep going down. Look how many are being sold. 100,000. And then look how many are being sold now. 3,000. So it has dropped so much because the supply has actually dropped. People have been opening these cases. There's some cool skins. The AK Asimov, the Neo Noir. These are even cool. This gun right here is $15. I literally purchased this gun, like myself, just because I thought it was so cool. Like, here it is. About a StatTrak Minware. I was like, you know what? This is a sick ass skin. I fuck with this gun. It's a $1,500 gun. It's a nice sub buy. So here's the point. This just stopped dropping a long time ago when I was 14 cents, and then now look what it is about a year out. So this sticker capsule was 25 cents. You could have bought these for 25 cents. So we've kind of missed a train, but we're not too far up right now. This is, in my opinion, if you set buy orders at 30 and 32 cents, that's a pretty low buy, because take a look at this. The day it stopped dropping, it went up 10% almost, if not more. Look at this, 25 cents all the way to 35. And what are we seeing here? A classical trading pattern once again. We're playing with the high. Here, this is the best one to look at it with. So you're making a cup and a handle. Look it up, boys. If you think I'm throwing random shit, look up a cup and handle pattern. Now, if you're still watching this video, by the way, then you're probably going to be the one getting the best info. So why do the prices go up? Classically, if we take a look at something like Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin has a fixed supply. So as US dollar is printed over the next 30 years and people make money, they use that money to purchase something that has a limited supply. Over time, the quantity of that supply is going to drop because everyone's just collecting and collecting and collecting. With this, it's even better because we can't burn Bitcoins. I mean, we could buy a Bitcoin and throw it away, sure, but that's just a waste, right? These ones have a use. So you can actually open this. Why? I believe this is almost a better investment than Bitcoin in a way, but it's much more risky, obviously, since the market cap is nothing compared to Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin has, let's see, CSGO is worth $1.2 billion. Bitcoin is worth $500 billion. So you can't compare something like that. But my point is, the way Bitcoin supply drops is much slower than this. The supply of this will drop much faster because these are 30 cents. People will be opening them. These stickers in here, like I've opened them. I gotten this one. Look at this. This is 15 bucks. You make 30 cents into 15 bucks. This is something people would want. The gold version of this is 30 bucks. You understand? So now what we're going through to explain is that the quantity of these as time passes is going to drop. This volume in a year will be a quarter because people are just opening these. See, the more people open these over time, the more this is going to inch up cent by cent. And now what I'm going to show you is the actual market trade of this. So right here you can see, this is the better graph actually, and you could see being sold and bought. Yesterday I was looking at this and it was at 400,000. Now it's at 393. Look at that, it's already dropped. Almost 6,000, 7,000 right there. This has increased, so I believe someone has removed their orders from higher up and put it here. So as these orders fill, you're going to see it rise from here to here. And here's a quick tip. If you want to figure out how much money it takes to move the price of this capsule from 34 cents to 36 cents, for example, you take this and you multiply it by this. And then you take this and you multiply it by this and you add the two. That will get you a result in dollar of, let's see, so $8,000 for this to be bought out. And note, it's sequential, so 34 must be bought out first. So 0.34 times 70, 118. So that's 2,000 plus 8,000 basically. So about $10,000 US dollars has to be actual purchased, because this isn't just fake money, boys. This is you guys put the money here. You viewers, the people playing this game, have essentially set the value of this themselves. This is a free market trade right here. This was all, you could all buy this capsule for 25 cents for this whole period. Right here, let me show you the period of which you could buy 25 cents. Right here, I believe even all the way up till here. My bad. Till here. So there's a lot of these cases. What does that mean? That means you could get this for, oh, why did it drop to 28 cents? Because a random fool is deciding to sell one of them at 28 cents, which is stupid. Look, it's going to get bought up in a second here. There it is. It's gone already. The point being is, you're essentially going to buy the cheapest one. Yeah, you want to buy something that is less risky? Okay. Well, you're going to pay more. Unfortunately, you're going to pay $1. You want to invest in something that'll only double, maybe triple, as opposed to something that'll go maybe 10 times its price, or all the way up to at least $1 at minimum. See what I'm saying? Which is triple. So, or if you bought in here, you got even more. You made 4 times, right? So, anyways, this video is approaching the 10-minute and 50-second mark. Half the viewers, if not 95%, have dropped off by now. So this is where I will be concluding. But the people that stayed to the last second have got the most education, and I'm proud of you guys. And I believe you guys are going to be the ones to actually be investing, because you could see the future in the game. If you see the future in the game, then you might as well purchase the capsules that people are unboxing. I mean, people will purchase these all the way up into $1 and unbox them. Think about it logically. You don't need to open it with a key. You just unbox it. You want to see something crazy, boys? What this could be in 10 years if you look at it? I'm not talking about 1 year out it'll be $1, 2 years out it could be $1, sure. 10 years out, we could see things like this. This is how crazy the capsules can go. Look at this. This thing shot up to almost $60, $70 one day. You could have sold. There's people buying it at that price for some reason. 700, thousands of them sold. But it was a short-lived scenario. It was a trading frenzy. But this from here, from $1 to $25 is what I'm talking about. Supply will go down. This AUG right here, boys, I'll leave you with it on the 12-minute mark. This AUG, there's only 5,000 of them in the world. That's why it's $100. It's a shitty AUG. It was $1. The quantity of them dropped because people traded them up. Same thing as opening of a capsule. Anyways, you guys have a great day. And remember that this information is all on you. And it is for you to make your own destiny now and become an account that maybe does something like this in the next 10 years. So take care, guys. See you later.